Introduction to Linters in VS Code.
Linters are essential tools that check your code for errors, style issues, and best practices. Integrating linters with your Visual Studio Code editor can dramatically improve your coding speed and accuracy by providing real-time feedback as you type. In this guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to set up and use linters with VS Code for a smoother development workflow.
Choosing the right linter for your language.
Before integrating a linter with VS Code, it's important to pick one that matches your programming language and coding style. ESLint is great for JavaScript and TypeScript, while Pylint or Flake 8 work well for Python. Research which linters are best supported and most popular for your language to ensure maximum compatibility and usefulness.
Installing the linter extension in VS Code.
Open VS Code and go to the Extensions Marketplace. Search for your desired linter, like ESLint or Python. Click Install to add the extension to your editor. Most linter extensions will automatically activate for matching file types, providing instant analysis as soon as you open your code files.
Configuring the linter for your project.
Most linters use configuration files to define rules and behavior. For example, ESLint expects a .eslintrc file in your project. Use the command palette or terminal to generate this file, or copy a recommended config. Adjust the settings to fit your workflow, specifying which issues to flag or ignore, and tailor it for your team's coding standards.
Viewing and fixing linter feedback.
With your linter running in VS Code, you'll see warnings and errors underlined as you code. Hover over these lines to read detailed messages and suggestions. Many extensions offer quick fixes you can apply with a click. Regularly address linter feedback to keep your code clean, readable, and less prone to bugs.
Tips for effective linter integration.
To get the most out of linters in VS Code, keep your extensions and configurations up to date. Explore additional linter plugins for frameworks like React or Django if you use them. Consider enabling automatic formatting on save. Working as a team? Share config files in your version control so everyone benefits from consistent feedback.